Welcome to Rays of Hope, where inspiration meets possibilities. Join us on this journey as we explore videos that illuminate the path to positivity, resilience, and success. The job market changes rapidly, and staying ahead means learning new skills continuously. We're already close to 2026, so now's the time to prepare yourself. You'll need to learn proactively to keep your career strong. Major forces like artificial intelligence, automation, and global connections are reshaping industries. These shifts demand a new set of capabilities from professionals. This video gives you a clear roadmap of the essential skills you'll need. It's about building career growth and making sure you're ready for what's next. Mastering artificial intelligence and data literacy. In today's professional world, you do not need to be a programmer or a data scientist to understand artificial intelligence, AI, and data. These concepts are now essential for everyone, regardless of their role or industry. Grasping the basics of AI and becoming data literate will help you make smarter decisions. It will also prepare you for future challenges and opportunities. Understanding AI basics and ethical implications. Artificial intelligence allows machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. Think of everyday tools you already use, like smartphone assistants or personalized shopping recommendations. These are all powered by AI. Businesses use AI for everything from automating customer service to predicting market trends. At its core, AI includes several key areas. Machine learning, ML. This is where systems learn from data to identify patterns and make predictions. For example, an ML model might learn to spot fraudulent transactions. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Think of chatbots or translation services. They use NLP. Computer vision. This field allows computers to interpret and understand visual information from the world. Self-driving cars use computer vision to see their surroundings. However, as AI becomes more powerful, ethical questions arise. We must consider issues like bias. AI systems can reflect biases present in the data they are trained on, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Privacy. AI often relies on large amounts of personal data, which raises concerns about how that information is collected, stored, and used. Job displacement. As AI automates tasks, it may change job roles or reduce the need for certain human activities. Developing and using AI responsibly requires careful thought. We must prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability in all AI applications. Data analysis and interpretation for everyone. Data literacy means more than just knowing how to work with numbers. It is about understanding what those numbers represent and how they can inform your decisions. You do not need to be a data scientist to benefit from this skill. It involves being able to look at information, ask the right questions, and draw meaningful conclusions. Basic data visualization tools can help you simplify complex information. Programs like Excel and Google Sheets are excellent starting points. Many beginner-friendly business intelligence (BI) platforms also help you explore data visually. These tools allow you to identify important trends, spot patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed, communicate insights clearly to others. Learning to understand data helps you make better choices, whether in your daily tasks or strategic planning. It empowers you to support your ideas with evidence and contribute more effectively to any team. Enhancing human-centric and adaptability skills. While understanding AI and data is key, your unique human skills will set you apart. These are the abilities machines cannot easily duplicate. Focusing on these human-centric traits helps you work better with AI, innovate, and handle challenges with a clear mind. These skills are about how we think, create, and interact with each other. Cultivating critical thinking and problem-solving. Critical thinking means looking past simple answers. It is about really understanding complex situations, finding the actual causes of problems, and then creating good solutions. Instead of just fixing a symptom, you look for the root issue. This allows you to develop more lasting and effective solutions. Think about solving problems in different parts of your work. In project management, you might analyze why a project is behind schedule. Is it a lack of resources, unclear communication, or scope creep? For customer service, critical thinking helps you understand a customer's frustration. You do not just follow a script. Instead, you figure out their core need to provide a truly helpful response. When making decisions under pressure, you weigh options quickly. You think about potential outcomes and then you choose the best path forward. This prevents rash decisions and keeps things moving. Developing this skill means always asking, why? It involves breaking down big problems into smaller, more manageable parts. This approach helps you make better choices and contributes to smarter outcomes for your team and organization. Boosting creativity and innovation. Creativity is not just for artists or designers. It is a vital business skill that helps you solve problems in new ways. This means thinking outside the box to generate fresh ideas. It also includes taking current solutions and making them better, or applying them to new situations. An innovative mindset helps you stay competitive and keeps your work exciting. Consider these aspects of innovation. Generating new ideas. This often comes from bouncing thoughts off others, brainstorming sessions, or simply allowing yourself time to think freely. Adapting existing solutions. Sometimes, the best innovation is taking something that works in one area and applying it to another. Can a process from marketing help streamline operations? Embracing diverse perspectives. Different backgrounds and viewpoints lead to a wider range of ideas. When everyone thinks the same, innovation suffers. Seek out people with different experiences. Design thinking offers a great framework for this. It is a human-centered approach to innovation. It involves understanding user needs, challenging assumptions, and creating new solutions through a specific process. First, you empathize with users. Then, you define the problem. Next, you ideate possible solutions, prototype them, and finally, test them. This cyclic process helps you create solutions that truly meet needs. Mastering emotional intelligence and collaboration. Emotional intelligence, A, is your ability to understand and manage your own emotions. It also includes recognizing and influencing the emotions of others. A plays a big part in effective teamwork, resolving conflicts, and strong leadership. It helps you navigate the human side of work, which is often complex. A has key components. Self-awareness. Knowing your own feelings, strengths, and weaknesses. Self-regulation. Managing your emotions and impulses effectively. Empathy. Understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Social skills. Building rapport, influencing others, and managing relationships. These components drive successful collaboration. When you understand your team's emotions, you can communicate more clearly. You can also resolve disagreements constructively. Today's work often involves diverse teams, working both in person and remotely. You might work with people from different cultures or across various time zones. Adapting to diverse team dynamics means being open to different communication styles and work habits. For example, some cultures prefer direct feedback, while others favor a more indirect approach. Communicating effectively across cultures and technological mediums is another crucial part. This means choosing the right tool for the message, whether it is a video call, an email, or an instant message. It also means being clear and respectful in your language, making sure your message is understood by everyone, regardless of their background. Strong emotional intelligence helps you build bridges and work together seamlessly, no matter where your team members are. That's the first set of skills you'll need to thrive. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for joining us on this uplifting journey with Rays of Hope. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos that spark hope and empowerment. Until next time, keep shining brightly. Thank you for watching.